Okay, I'm going to start working on this, getting rid of this Jerusalem artichoke or sunchokes. I'm going to use the branches as, to put in the bottom of my pots when I plant. But I've got to cut them off so I can see what's down in here. I'll let you see what it is when I start digging them out. Okay, I've got to cut about halfway back, and I'm just throwing the leaves over here in my area that I've got with my greenery, and as it dries up, I'll use it in the bottom of my pots. I thought I'd show you the ends of the sunchokes I'm cutting. They almost remind me of bamboo. They're very hollow-like, and they're easy to cut up. So I've been cutting them up and putting them over here, so I can put them in the bottom of my, my pots when I plant the plants. So I just experienced some shoulda, coulda, woulda. When I was taking these out, I didn't think about the possibility of these little ends turning into more sunchokes. If I had thought about that being seeds, I could have perhaps harvested them and saved myself some ink when I, replant, when I use this. But I don't know. So yeah. So now I'm trying to make sure I get all of the seed pods out before I add it to the pile over there. Got as much of it as I could. We'll see what happens. Okay, so I got all of the tops cut, and now I'm going to see if I have anything down in here. I pulled one out already, and it didn't get enough water over in that corner, so it didn't produce anything. So let's see if I got anything anywhere else. Okay, so there's a little bit. Well, there's some babies I can replant. This is how they propagate. They just send out those shoots, and they keep growing, and you can plant those back in the ground, I think. And here's some of the ones that I got, so no, not too bad. The ones that got a little water seem to have produced a little something. They're not big. Not yet. Let's see what I got over here. Oh no, there's plenty in here. Some more. I'll keep working at this, and I'll come back and keep showing you what I get out here. But they seem to have produced quite a bit, and you just scrub these off and cook them. I'll show you when I do that. So I'll keep working at this. This is my first year of growing these. And I was thinking I wouldn't get anything. And that's, I think, what several of us was thinking because it was the first year. But surprisingly, even though it's my first year, they grew and they took over my turnip bed. And so as I dig through here, they're all over on the other side. So quite a little haul. And I've only dug up one plant so far. And this is the root ball. They come right off of here. Kind of like potatoes. It's kind of interesting. Okay, I'll keep working at this. So this is my sunchoke harvest for today. In a container. Flower pot, actually. And this is how far I got in working in it, which is just like a fourth of this bed. And there's a lot more to go. Okay, if you'd like to see more about the harvesting of it, please subscribe and visit my channel. Thank you and have a great day.